guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So if you did tune into my OLAPLEX video and you watched it to the end, you would have caught me saying that I was going to do a second part video of me doing a natural hair care routine or a protective style on my hair. And I was kind of hinting a little bit of what I was going to do, but I just wanted you guys to tune in to the second part of that video. I did do a twist out / perm rod set, but that did not work out. I always have it's always an epic fail for me when I do that style because I did not do the low porosity, high porosity check on my hair. I just assumed certain things of what my hair was. But before I get into more details about that, you have to make sure you tune into that video previously before this video before you get what I'm saying. But I'm not going to say too much unless you watch that video. But what I kind of mean by that is I had to basically get a certain product. I noticed certain products do not work with my hair. I know I'm an advocate for saying that what works for your hair, whatever products work for your hair, try that out. So I'm advocating for that, but I didn't really live by that too much because I was just trying different things and just seeing what works and what does not work. So make sure you tune into that video. But today's video, I am going to be doing a perm rod set on my hair. Perm rod set on my hair. I haven't done that in a long time. I have did, like I said, the twist out / perm rods at the end, but that just doesn't work for me. But I just wanted to do just only perm rods and just see how that works. So I've already washed my hair. I am using today the TGIN product line. I washed my hair with the co-wash / conditioner / detangler, and it's a 3-in-1 product. I liked how my hair felt really soft, but it did not feel cleansed. It says product remover, and I know before anyone is saying co-washes doesn't wash your hair anyway, but I have used co-washes from Design Essentials as I am, and my hair feels clean after using it. That one just felt like a conditioner, like I'm just cleaning my hair with a conditioner. So yeah, not the biggest fan of it, but my hair did still feel good afterwards. So I still went in with their deep conditioner. You guys know I'm an advocate for their deep conditioner, honey hair mask, TGIN, and I love it. It helps my hair feel so soft. I had left that in for like a good 2 or 3 hours just so it can just soak up everything or just basically make my hair super soft. I love it to death. So going in, because I was using their line for today for my wash day, I did want to also use their line, their TGIN line for my perm rods. And because my hair needs certain type of lightweight products, like I said, tune into my hair porosity check. I need lightweight products because my hair does not do good with twisting butters or anything like that. I kind of gave it away by saying that, but this is the products that I'm using. I have not used this before, but because it does say lightweight on here, I'm going to do this for my perm rod set today. So I also purchased these from the beauty supply store. So let's get started. So like I said, y'all, I already washed my hair. Ooh. I already washed my hair, so. And this is my hair after using that mask. I love it. So I'm going to start off with this amount of hair. So if you're anything like me and either your perm rods or your twist outs or something is not accurately turning out right, you have to make sure that someone doing a little bit of what works for you. So I noticed that my hair basically is like this, so I cannot put a lot of products on my hair. So that's why I want to go in with the lightweight product. And because I noticed that sometimes when I put too much product on my hair, none of the styles that I do turns out right. So I just want to put the right amount the right amount of products in my hair so that it will turn out right and it doesn't look like it's too much product on there, or sometimes it looks oily and it just doesn't work. So that's why it goes back to, if you are starting out natural, to make sure you're getting the right products that work for your hair and it doesn't weigh your hair down. Some products weigh my hair down. So again, going in with the rose water. curl refresher, and I'm just doing that because my hair is like super dry, but I do not want to spray it. I just want to put enough on there. So again, it's like a curl refresher and it smells so good. Going in with the mousse. And I'm not going to put too much. Just enough so that the ends can be full with the product as well. Because you do want the ends to be good. I notice sometimes when my ends are not good, then the whole perm rod set does not turn out right. Because this is super frizzy because I did not put enough product. So now that that has the right amount of product on there, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of oil to seal it. If you watch my video, my previous video, you know why I say that. Also too, I think I've been doing the perm rod set completely wrong. So I've seen people doing it under and I was doing it over. That makes sense. So under like that so that the hair can stay in place. And I thought that was a neat trick. Okay. This has to be the most aggravating thing possible. I've put like 3 now. Annoying. Okay, I found an extra one. Okay, yeah, it's the same size. This is so annoying when it does that. It's like, why? Okay. Don't break. Do not break. And y'all, okay, I'm so retarded. See, this is why I fail at a lot of my styles, because I was just putting this little thing, this little string part, any way, it didn't matter. But I had to realize you had to put it over the part where your hair is. Basically where this part is at. So to keep this in place, you got to put this under so that it can stay in place. Like, why am I so freaking slow? Like, look at this. Make it make sense, y'all. I'm so slow. But before I fix this one in the bag, this is basically, I'm going to let this sit overnight and I'm going to sit under the dryer a little bit to speed up the process because my hair takes a long time to dry. Hint, hint. watch my previous video. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I'll be back tomorrow. Okay guys, so it is the next day and let's just hope for the best that my hair is dry. Sometimes this part will feel dry, but when I unroll the perm rod or whatever that I'm using, my hair is still wet underneath. So last night I did sit under the dryer after I finished doing this for like 20 minutes, but it got too hot. So I was just like, whatever. So let's just hope for the best for this hairstyle. Positivity all over. Okay. So I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on my fingertips because I do not want any frizz, even though I see a little frizz. So just a little bit on my fingertips with unrolling these. Moment of truth. Okay, guys, let's see. Okay. Okay. But that's just one. That's just one. Let's keep going. Let's keep it up. I got a little too excited. Okay. It's giving what it said it's supposed to give. Oh my God. One more. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my hair after separating everything, and I did kind of go in and pick it out so it can get a little bit of volume, but of course because I have so much shrinkage, that's just an epic fail for me. I just have to get used to my hair just being this way. It's just gonna shrink up no matter what I do. I can do a stretch method, but I'd rather not. I don't want to mess up the curls too much. I was doing this to my hair, and you're really not supposed to do that. So hence the reason why it's a little bit frizzy, because I was just like, no, it's too much shrinkage. Because I have a baby face. But I mean, overall, I do like the curls, the Pillow Soft curls, the TGIN mousse and curl refresher rose water. I really do love those products. It was very lightweight to create these Pillow Soft curls. I have nothing to say about the hair. I do really like my hair, and the method that I tried this time, I noticed that the curls stayed intact. Also, my hair, because I did not put so much product in my hair was not damped. There was no leftover product residue in my hair, so no critiques. Yeah, but I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel and share my videos. See you.